Hi students of class 2. Today we are going to do the book exercise and question answer of chapter 2. Everyone get ready with the book. Page number 18. We will start. So take the pencil in your hand. Let us start the class. We will start with the true and false. Write T for true and F for false statement. Computers are used to forecast weather. True. Computers are used to forecast weather. True. Computers are used in shops for teaching. False. Computers are used in shops for teaching. False. You cannot type letters on the computer. False. You cannot type letters on the computers. False. You can book and cancel tickets using a computer. True. You can book and cancel tickets using a computer. True. Tick the correct option. Computers are used in hospitals to perform dash. Operations, report cards. Operations is the correct answer. Computers are used in hospitals to perform operations. Computers are used in dash to take out money. Homes, ATMs. ATMs is the correct answer. Computers are used in ATMs to take out money. We can send dash using computer. Jewelry, email. Email is the correct answer. We can send email using computers. Computers are used in shops to prepare dash. Food, bills. Bills is the correct answer. Computers are used in shops to prepare bills. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. The words are given in the box. Cartoons, books, report cards, driving, research. Computers are used for research. Computers are used for research. A teacher uses a computer to prepare report cards. A teacher uses a computer to prepare report cards. Cartoons are made using computers. Cartoons are made using computers. You can learn driving using computers. You can learn driving using computers. Books are designed using computers. Books are designed using computers. Match the following. Preparing report card matched with school. Preparing report cards matched with school. Printing bills matched with malls. Printing bills matched with malls. Withdrawing money matched with ATM. Withdrawing money matched with ATM. Keeping patient records matched with hospital. Keeping patient record matched with hospital. Here we finish the book exercise. Now we are going to do the book question answer. This question answer you have to write in the computer CW copy. Let us start. Name 2 things your father does using a computer. Send and receive emails, type letters. Send and receive emails, type letters. Name any 2 cartoons that you like to watch. Tom and Jerry, Ben 10. Tom and Jerry, Ben 10. What are the things that can be designed using a computer? Clothes, jewelry, books, cars, houses, flyover. What are the things that can be designed using a computer? Clothes, jewelry, books, cars, houses, flyover. How is the computer useful in the bank? To deposit and withdraw money, to store customer data. To deposit and withdraw money, to store customer data. Now we will do 3 extra question answer of chapter 2. How is the computer useful in the school? For doing research, to prepare report cards, to prepare timetable and question paper. For doing research, to prepare report cards, to prepare timetable and question paper. Next, question number 2. How is the computer useful in the hospital? To perform operations, for testing and preparing reports to keep patients' record. How is the computer useful in the hospital? To perform operations, for preparing and for testing and preparing reports, to keep patient record. How is the computer useful in the office? For typing letters, keeping records of employees, preparing salary. For typing letters, keeping records of employees, preparing salary. Here we finish the CW work of today. So in the CW we have done the book exercise and the question answer of chapter 2. Your homework will be to finish writing the book exercise in the book and the book question answer and the extra question answer writing in the computer CW copy. So the CW and the HW work is clear. Bye bye. Have a nice day.